This is my school camera on my Chromebook. You see, it's right there. It's really a bad camera. And yes, this is Whitehall. Because Whitehall's heaven! Woo! And now, the camera I bought. I think I got this at Five Below before they raised the prices. You see? This is pretty much how my camera's gonna be moving, and the teacher's gonna go, Nick, how is your camera moving? I'm gonna say of the locomotive that's pushing and pulling it so I don't have to move it constantly. I believe the lights. Oh my god, the lights turn off. That's great. Or they turn off the camera. That's all good. Chuck E. Cheese, I need that. I own a Tyco. Hold on, I'll show you. I own a Tyco RC car. Only made by Tyco. Tyco. This is the battery dying in like 15 minutes, so I don't get much playtime with it, but I'm planning on getting recharged. Batteries. Gotta clarify that. Over here is my Sharp TV. Why am I saying Sharp? I want to change the name so it says Nick. That's my name. If you look over here, this TV was built in the USA. And look how great the pixel work is. I guess you can't see it. Alright, I'm gonna put this against here and you can see all the pixels. Man, this is so great. I get to show you a film. 20 seconds. Look at this. So legible. Look, whoa, that's probably real. Look at her, look at this guy's face. It is so pixel perfect. Let's look over in the background here. You can see how the tree background is so perfect. That's why I love the TV. And motor! Eve. That's my younger brother. GE, General Locomotive Company. And let's play on my next video, we're gonna play Fix It Felix. What? Fix It Felix. Does it boot on? That's what we're doing next time. Bye.